Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to change between miles per hour or kilometers per hour on the display on a Toyota Prius C. So let's go ahead and get started.
So here on the steering wheel you have your mode and your different levels here for the volume. Over here you have your temperature controls, your display, and your trip. So this is where we're going to be on this side right here.
Here's the display that we're going to be looking at to make the change right here.
So you have it on kilometers. What you're going to want to do up here in the upper right where it says trip A, you're going to hit your trip button on the steering wheel. Cycle through to odometer. And once it's on odometer, which is the ODO, you're going to press and hold the trip button, and that will allow you to toggle between kilometers or miles per hour. So let's go ahead and press it and hold it. And there you go. It goes between miles per hour, kilometers. So once it goes to miles per hour, just let go and it will keep it there set, and now you're set to miles per hour.
Well, this pretty much wraps up this video on how to change the kilometers per hour to miles per hour on this Toyota Prius C. Just so you know, by default, it will always go to kilometers. So if you ever do any work on the vehicle or do any kind of setting changes on the computer, there's a good chance it's going to reset that, and you'll have to use this procedure to get it back to miles per hour. So this pretty much wraps up this video. So send any questions, any comments. I hope this video helped you out. I would love to hear your feedback. As always, I appreciate all of the support out there, so please like this video and subscribe to this channel. I'd greatly appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.